How to answer Tell me about yourself in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is super important, especially for interviews, introduction and spoken English practice. We all get nervous when someone asks Tell me about yourself. But don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to answer this question with confidence and step by step. So stay with me at the end. This is the most common question in interviews, classrooms, group discussion, and even social events. It's your first impression and it shows your confidence, fluency, and clarity. So you have to follow basic and simple structure to introduce yourself. First, you have to mention your name and where are you from. For example, my name is Priya and I am from Delhi. Next, mention your education or job role. I have completed my graduation in English and currently I work as a teacher. Next, your skills or interest. I am passionate about teaching and love helping others improve their English. Next, your strength. This is optional but it impact a positive impression. So mention this as well. It shows how hardworking and confident you are. So tell them about your strength as well. I am hardworking, confident, and always eager to learn new things. Last, if you are especially in an interview, especially in a job interview, then you will definitely ask a question why you are here. They will definitely ask question why you are here. Answer and reply with a very calm and confident way. I am excited to be here today and ready to take on new challenges. This shows your thinking power and your calmness. That would be positive point for you. Okay, if you are a student or a beginner, then you should keep yourself simple and follow the basic structure for introduce yourself. For example, hello, my name is Priya. I am from Kanpur. I am currently pursuing my BA in English. I enjoy reading books and learning new words every day. I am working on improving my English speaking and confidence. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. If you are in a job interview, then introduce yourself like this. Hi, I am Raj. I belong to Mumbai. I have completed my BCom and recently worked as a customer service executive. I am good at communication and problem solving. In my free time, I enjoy speaking with people and building positive relationships. I believe my skills and attitude make me a good fit for this role. Now I am gonna share some tips, some practice tips to you. First, practice with a mirror. If you are a beginner and want to fluent, then practice and speak to yourself. Speaking in front of mirror helps you a lot, especially if you are work on your fluency. Next, record your voice and listen that tape again and again. Next, keep it short and clear. Don't need to go with the words which are very hard to pronounce. Keep it short, simple, and clear. Don't memorize things. Understand the flow. Next, use these bonus lines if you want to sound more fluent. For example, I am a quick learner. I enjoy challenges and solving problems. I am currently working on improving my communication. So now you know how to introduce yourself clearly and confidently. Which version did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more spoken English tips. Thank you for watching.